A promissory note is a fundamental financial tool used in lending. Let's break down how this written promise to pay actually works. At its core, it is a legal document where one party makes an unconditional promise to pay a specific sum of money to another. Unlike a casual handshake, a promissory note is a formal record that can be enforced in court if the borrower defaults. Every note must clearly state how much is borrowed, the interest charged, and when the total balance must be paid back in full. While a promissory note focuses specifically on the promise to pay, a formal loan agreement often includes many more legal protections and conditions. Notes can be structured as lump sums or installment plans, showing how the debt is reduced over the life of the agreement. Remember that even a perfect legal document does not guarantee repayment if the borrower lacks the funds to cover their promise. Understanding these documents helps you navigate lending and borrowing with more confidence. Please subscribe for more finance basics.